Hello guys, today I had purchased a new bow and arrow. So, do you wanna watch this video? Then like this video and share it to your friends. Now let's unbox this. Wow, it's so beautiful. It contains one bow and 3 arrows. Now I am opening it. It contains a plastic cover. See this, how nice is this? It contains a elastic also. There are 3 arrows. The first color is red and the second one is my favorite color, blue. And the third one is the radium. It's looking so beautiful. Now let's play with this. Before playing, you must subscribe inchara channel. See, it contains a board. Now let's play and enjoy. Now I am putting it inside. Wow, it's stick on. There are 3 color arrows, red, blue and radium. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.